Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today's topic is talking about football. This class is designed to cover the general vocabulary and terminology used when talking about football. For example, clothing, positions, etc. For more detailed explanations, please watch the upper intermediate level class. So let's start with clothing. Tracksuit, boots, socks, shirt, studs, shin pads, shorts, bibs. Now let's look at the lines on the pitch or field. Touch lines, goal lines, corners, penalty area, center circle, halfway line. Here are some basic terms that you'll use when talking about football. Kick-off, the moment when a game of football starts, or when it begins again after it has stopped because of a goal. A match, a 90-minute game of football between two competing teams. Hat trick, this is when a player scores 3 times in the same match. Injury time, or stoppage time. This refers to added minutes at the end of regular playing time. The amount of time is signalled by the 4th official on the touchline. Extra time. If a match has no winner at full time, 2 additional 15-minute periods of extra time may be played in some competitions. Full time. The point of the game when the referee blows the final whistle and the match is over. Normally after 90 minutes and any added injury time. So let's look at some of the basic actions used when playing football. Header, free kick, cross, pass, throw-in, score. To shoot is the verb. A shot is the noun form. Here, the player is taking a penalty. Save, own goal, dribble, tackle, foul, dive. And a basic look at the positions used when playing football. Starting with the goalkeeper, a player whose role is to stop the ball from entering the goal. Central defender, a player whose main role is to prevent the opposing centre forward from scoring. A fullback's main job is to stop the opposition wingers attacking in wide areas and to support the central defenders. Central midfielders usually have to cover the whole field. Energy and stamina are needed by wingers, both to attack and give defensive cover to the fullbacks playing behind them. A centre forward's role is to score goals. Required attributes include speed, quick thinking, and accurate shooting. So now for the people involved in a professional football game. Here we see the referee, accompanied by the 2 captains of each team. He's tossing the coin to see who will begin the game. Assistant referee. 4th official. Coach. manager, and behind the manager we can see the fans. Here, the referee is showing a yellow card, which is also known as a booking. 2 yellow cards result in a red card. Complete the sentences. The signals how much injury time the referee should add. The assistant referee signals when he sees a player in an position. A player whose role is to score goals is called a... The point of the game when the referee blows the final whistle is called... The role of a is to stop the attackers from scoring. If neither team scores, the game ends in a and may lead to a period of tripping, pushing and diving are and can result in a player throws the ball if an opponent kicks the ball over the Name the images. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.